morning, my little man.
Daddy! Daddy!
Come here.
Up, Daddy.
Careful! You too.
Ha ha ha. He is strong today.
Daddy strong.
Daddy big.
Big.
Yes. Daddy is big.
Breakfast is ready.
Yay! Breakfast!
All right. Let's eat.
Sit here, sweetheart.
Daddy, sit here. Huh?
Okay. Daddy sits here. Daddy sits here.
Daddy stay today?
He wants you today.
I stay now. I'm here. I'm here. Good. Hey, very good.
Is it work?
Yeah.
It's work.
Daddy?
Daddy? Daddy needs to go on a trip.
Yes.
3 days.
3 days?
3 days? Daddy come back?
Yes. Daddy comes back.
Gift? Yeah. Yes, a gift. Big gift?
A very big gift.
A very big gift. Daddy, don't go.
I will be back soon.
Daddy today?
Not today. Tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Okay. This is Daddy. Daddy goes to work.
You miss him.
I miss Daddy.
Daddy misses you too.
Daddy bring gift?
Yes! A gift!
Big gift?
Yes.
1 day. 2 days. Mommy! Is Daddy here?
Not yet.
Daddy late?
No. Daddy is busy.
But Daddy thinks about you. But Daddy thinks about you.
About me?
Every day.
Mommy? Mommy? Oh. Oh.
Daddy. Daddy must stay longer.
Longer?
Yes. Work is not finished.
Daddy not come?
Not today.
But today is day 3.
I know.
Daddy, smile. Daddy doesn't love me?
That is not true. It's cold today.
Today is the last day.
Dinner is ready.
Daddy chair.
Yes. Yes. It's empty. What is that sound? He's home.
Oh.
I'm here.
Daddy! Daddy! Oh, Dad!
Sorry. I always love you.
Fireworks. Fireworks.
Wow! New Year!
New Year!
Happy New Year! Happy New Year!